calculate the value of a in the given equation. A equals pi multiplying b square minus small b square, or in brackets, right? So a equals pi multiplying, or in bracket, capital B square minus small b square, right? So when pi is 3.14, right, b equals 6, and that's capital B equals 6 and small b equals 2, right? So our given equation is a equals pi multiplying, or in brackets, capital B square minus small b square, right? So this is a basic substitution into formula question, right? So we only have to insert our given values, right? So we are going to have a equals pi, which is 3.14 here, right? 3.14 multiplying, or in brackets, capital B square, which is giving us 6, so 6 square, minus small b square, which is giving us 2. Okay, so small b square is giving us 2, so minus 2 square, right? So we simplify further. Okay, so we're going to have our a equals 3.14 multiplying, or in bracket, 36 minus 4. So 6 square, right? 6 square. 6 square is giving us 6 multiplying 6, right? 6 square is 6 times 6, right? So 6 times 6 equals 36, right? 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 8, and 6 4 24, 6 5 30, 6 6 36. So 6 times 6 will give you 36. So that's how come we have 36 here. 2 square is the same as 2 multiplying 2, right? Which is 2 times 2 is 4, right? So that's how come we had 4, right? So in simplifying further, we are going to have a equals 3.14 multiplying 36 minus 4, which is 28, right? 36 minus 4 is 28. So we are going to have a new equation, okay, to be a equals 3.14 multiplying 32, because 36 minus 4 will give us 32, right? So 36 minus 4 will give us 32. So we have to multiply 3.14 by 32, right? And in doing so, we are going to arrive at our final answer as 100.48, 100.48, right? So it's more or less like 32 multiplying 3.14, right? So 32 multiplying 3.14, right? So 4 would multiply to 8 times 4 will go into 3, okay? 4 will go into 3 12 times, right? So 12. So yeah, we've gotten 128, right? 1 will multiply to 2 times, 1 will multiply to 3 times, right? And we bring our full stop here, okay? 3 will multiply 2 6 times, right? 3 multiplied 3 9 times, right? So we add after us. So we are going to have 8, right? 2 plus 2 is 4, right? Point, okay, plus 2 is 4, right? 1 plus 1 is 4, right? So 4 plus 6 will give us 10, right? So 0, remainder 1, right? 1 plus 9 will give us 10, right? So 10. So we have our final answer to be 100.48, right? 100.48. 0.48 as our final answer. Right. So that's it for today's lesson. Kindly do what to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.